This is a quick view of my home gym that Castle helped me construct. You can see pulleys and tables and everything hanging. I have the weights organized on the side of the frame and a weight equipment box, and of course the bench is handy, and all the eye bolts were installed by Castle, so they're all at the right angle for bench height and for standing exercising. So, and a little look at my bonsai garden. It's by my workout center because you need peace of mind when you're punishing yourself. So far it's been good. If it needs adjustments in the future, Castle will come over and take care of that for me, and we'll just be happy as can be.